The next step after you have established an account and created a project, a new project, is to share your new project with your teacher's inbox. So this is my project, Abraham Lincoln. This is the style, citation, Chicago. The level is advanced. Right now there's no citations, no sources, no note cards. But if I go under the sharing column, I can click the plus sign and now tap into share with a teacher's box, teacher's inbox. And in this case, my teacher has instructed that the project inbox name is historical figures. So it's historical. I begin to type that, and immediately there's different choices that come up. So I'm going to select historical figure, click done. When I close this dialog box, you can see a new sharing icon over on the right. And that is it.